So the first thing you have to do here is to do what? Head over to your Play Store, your Google Play Store, and click on the word Bitget. Type the word Bitget there. Then once the logo pop up, you do what? You download the app. And immediately you download the app, you have to create accounts, which I will not be showing in this video because that's not the essence of this video. The main point in this video is just how to do your buy USDT. You understand? So once you do the video, you create account. After creating accounts, you verify your account using your NIN or your bank verification number, which is your BVN. So after you finish verifying your account, here's how the interface look like. You understand? Forget me, I already have like $10.35 here, but I'll be showing you directly how to buy USDT right here on this video. So the first thing you have to do is to what? Head over to this place here where they said what? To this particular place. Sorry. Head over to this place where they said what? Assets. Assets. Yes, that's the first place you head out to. So when you head up to assets, the next thing you have to click here is you click on, let's say, add fund right there. Click on add fund. So once you click on it, so in this video you'll be using what we call the P2P trading right here. This particular feature here, P2P trading, that's what you will click on. So immediately you click on the P2P trading, there's how the interface look like. But before you start doing P2P trading right here, you have to set up your profile very well here. And you have to set up this profile choosing a payment method. So you need to create an account with for me, yes, you can use it with your normal banks, but for me, I recommend 3 banks mostly because of their speed and very reliable internet connection. So how do you set up your account? You click on this area where they said what? Profile. So once you click on profile, you click on the payments method, which is right here, payment method, or here, yeah, payment method. And you make sure you add your bank accounts, and I strongly recommend 3 banks, which is OPay, Money Points, and PalmPay. Why am I recommending these 3 banks? Because they have a very good and reliable internet speed. Understand? So I'm not saying your normal banks cannot work. Yes, and in case you are in any other part of Africa, just use these digital banks that have very good internet, very fast internet. So you can actually work with those kind of banks. I'm not saying your normal banks your access banks don't, but these are the best bank for this kind of transactions. So let's go back. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on the P2P trading. Let it load. So once you load, you don't need to stress yourself much. Just click on this area where they said what? Express. Click on this area where they said Express. That particular area. Express. So once you click on Express, then I'm going to input the amount I want to buy. For instance, I want to buy USDT worth of, let's say, 28,000 naira. Let's see how much the value will be. Okay, as you can see, 28,000 naira is going to give us $19.29. So that's what is going to give us. Then you click on buy USDT. Let me click on it. As you can see, select payment, then you click here also, bank transfer. So confirm purchase. Click on bank transfer, confirm purchase. Okay, it's loading. Okay, then the next thing you have to do here is to click on this area where they say next. Once you click on next, so here is the account details you are going to transfer this money to. Immediately you transfer it, we'll come back here and write on paid. And mind you, we are giving a minimum of just 10 minutes. As you can see, the time is already reading, so make sure you do this transaction very fast before that time elapses. So you copy this account number here. You copy the account number. Then let me head over to my OPay app to do this transfer. Here's my OPay app. Let me log in. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to do what? I click on bank. Then let me paste it up here. Select a bank. Then you input that amount, which is 28,000. Let me read his terms and conditions first. So, please, okay. So, 28,000, then you click on confirm. Pay. So immediately the transfer is successful. You click on you get the receipt. Let me take a screenshot of the receipt. So this is a screenshot of the receipt. I head over to my Bitget app and I click on I paid. So once you click on I paid, then I have transferred 28,000 NGN to this above account. Click on it and click on confirm. So right now we're now waiting for this person to release the coins to us. So let's see how many minutes it's going to take. I can just head over to this place here to send him the receipts of these payments. So once I head over to this place, as you can see, the vendor is online. Then I click on this area here, that particular area there. Select from album. Then here is it. Then you click on this area where they said what? You click on this area where they said send. So once you click on send, as you can see, I just sent my payment receipt. Boom. As fast as that, immediately $19.18. So this transaction was very fast. So let me give this guy a positive, let me give him a thumbs up. So let me just positive submit. So feedback submitted. Let's head over back. If you check your account balance now, mind you, I have $10.3 here already. So sorry, as you can see, $29.53 immediately. But over here now, I can't withdraw this money here, because if you check your asset now, just scroll here, this region here now. No, all this region here, sorry, all this region right here. Scroll by the left, shift it by the left. You see this area where they said what? Sorry, this area where they said OTC. That is where that money will be deposited in. Once you click on OTC, as you can see, this is where the money is, that $19.28, but they charge us some commission. That's why it's $19.18 So you just click on this area where they said what? Transfer. Once you click on transfer, time to load. Then you click on this area. As you can see, you are transferring from sports to OTC. No, we want to transfer from OTC accounts to sports. So just click on that area. As you can see, from OTC accounts down to sports accounts. Then you click on the amounts, just select all. Then you click on confirm. I don't know, my network is really poor. Very confirm. So as you can see, it has been transferred successfully. So right now, let me refresh it. No, let me refresh it. So if you head over to my sports trading account now, if it's, oh, the network is really poor. This account here is supposed to be $29.95 right now. This is exactly how to do the P2P trading on Bitget. So look at it here, $29.53 have been successfully bought USDT on my Bitget app, and that's it.